Remember, you want to... I'm going to run down to the floor below so I can snipe these guys as they come up the stairs.
Come on.
Keep them on the middle stairs. That's where I can shoot them. Come on. Okay, get ready.
Oh, yes.
I'm running downstairs to cover you, but they attack me as well, remember? Okay, got you covered. Watch out for that barrel. Watch out for the barrel behind you.
Alright, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Is there any people here yet?
No, they'll come upstairs in a second. Move down the building. See? Watch out. Shoot the barrel. Shoot the barrel. Shoot the barrel when you can. I've got you covered. I'm trying to help. See? Did you see that?
Yep.
You just
Thank you.
Snipe that guy's head in front of you.
Shotgun is so powerful.
Oh fuck, there's one behind you. Oh, there's not, I lied. I'm just picking like one off at a time. You're trashing like 15.
Uh-oh.
I know, I'm coming. I'd love to see your screen just me like picking people off. Pretty awesome. If there's just one...
Whoa. What the fuck hit me? Oh, he threw an axe at me.
Yeah.
Cheeky bucket.
If there's just one, leave him to me. Oh, I missed him. Fuck.
There's two there.
I know, take him. One down. Fucking teamwork, bro.
Running low on these shotgun oh, I just picked him up.
If there's any rifle ammo, save that shit. Or machine gun, for that matter.
Incendiary grenade, but my ammo's full.
I'll pick it up in a minute. I'll come over and pick it up. I need incendiary. Remember, I can't help you until you come down here and shoot the padlock. There's a padlock on this door, Darren. You gotta shoot it. Thank you. Okay, watch out. I'm running back up that building, see what ammo I can grab. Rifle, mine. Incendiary grenade, mine. Nice, good haul. I think there's still some loot about. Yeah, still some crates and stuff.
Jesus Christ. Should have seen that. Where are you, upstairs?
I'm coming down. Let's go down. We're oh fuck. He just fucking trashed me. We're right by the fucking... This is really nearly the chainsaw guy, remember?
I know.
Melee him. Save the ammo.
Cut the shit out of
should
him.
not take this many hits with melee.
Here, do you need some? We'll heal. I'll heal you.
Okay. Oh wait, hang on. Yeah, why not? Just use the basic green one.
Yeah, this is gonna use.
There we go. See, it heals both of us.
Oh, my neck. Yes.
What's that? Machine gun. I'll get my pistol. I'm saving my pistol. I think I'm going to lose the first time, but let's try.
I don't think we will.
Okay, get ready. Get ready to run back and take this fucking barrel.
Gee, I'm ready.
I'm not ready.
Oh,
I'm
no.
literally not ready. I remember how terrifying this guy is. I'm not ready. I could...
Oh shit, there will be other guys as well. I
Yes,
forgot
there
that.
are the guys as well. But he's the main one.
Is he really?
Apparently. I'm not quite sure about him. He looks like the boss. Run. Run.
Nice eyeball.
See, run.
See.
Go. I'll keep him here. Yeah, I'll keep him here. Turn around. Shoot this barrel. Shoot the barrel. Shoot the barrel. You're a fail. Shoot the barrel.
He's miles behind you, Toby.
I can't see where he is. So.
You're a fail. You're a fail. He's miles behind you.
Yeah, move
Yeah,
up.
so you aim in front of me and I'll aim behind you.
Nice. Okay, now you move past me. You move past me. Run past me.
Gave him a kick. I gave him a kick.
Run past me. Run past me. I've got this barrel. Well, fucking hell, the guy grabbed me. Fuck, this isn't gonna go well.
Don't shoot that barrel. I'll die if you shoot it. Now shoot it.
Incendiary grenade.
Wait, let him come. Beautiful.
Shoot him. Everything. Everything on him.
Toby!
I think I'm dead, bro.
My God. Oh my God, you had like full health, you just chopped your head off.
I know, one hit.
You're so shit, you're the only one who's died ever.
Oh, fuck you! Again. It's such good times. Resident Evil, man, we had the best fucking time in this game. It's the game that's built purely for good co-op.
Well, as soon as we get past this level, it's all uncharted territory.
Yeah, we know fuck all after this. Okay, get fucking ready, bro. Ready for the press C. Press C. C press
Looking
C.
at it. See.
I love the way they're still just standing there looking at it.
Yeah, and then they just decide, fuck this.
C sprint. Keep him by the barrel. Turn around.
You're so in the way.
I'm trying to cover your ass. I'm trying to cover your ass. Shit.
Whoa, oh, you clown.
Oh, fuck.
Wasted a barrel on us.
I know. I'm trying to snipe him. What's up with that?
Shit, that kind of missed.
Fuck. Bail. Bail. I healed you by accident. No, I didn't. It's fine.
Run to look at you with your low health.
Bro, I headshot him. It does loads of fucking damage. Cover me, cover me, cover me.
I'm running through the door.
Oh, you fucking retard. I just raped him.
You're supposed to leave, you're supposed to leave. Come
I've
on.
been raping him with a rifle and I need you to back.
Come on, man, come on. Kept the door open for you.
I'm going back up this way.
You protect me.
I'm gone, mate. I'm long gone. It's here I am. I'm across the map.
Whoa.
I'm going for headshots on him. Just back away from him. Bring him out to the alley. Bring him into the alley.
Trying to
Bring him
just
into
get
the
away,
alley.
hang on. I can't run past them, otherwise they'll just destroy me. I'm coming now. Coming out into the alley.
Not in the alley. I'm in the main road. I'm trying to line him up for some sniper headshots. They stop him dead. Okay. Here he comes. See? They stop him. I'm still hitting him. Back up, back up, back up.
Oh shit.
Like, saved your fucking life with the headshot. Cover me while I shoot him. Reloading. Darren, they're all around us, bro. He's dead. He's dead.
Is he?
Yeah.
Guards key.
Yeah, we got it. Now let's turn around and fuck these guys up. Show them we ain't to be fucked about with. Oh shit, I've got some shotgun shells for you.
There we go.
Okay, now
Hey, we did it.
Now let's loot everything. We're pretty fucking good, second time. Man, we fucking pwned that guy.
You're so vicious how you died though the first time.
See how many fucking, I know. Oh.
Everything was going so well, you just went silent and your head was gone.
That rifle, man, just fucked him up. It was so powerful. Okay, from this point on, man, as you said.
Well, I'm going now.
I know. But I mean, from this point on,
Next time we play.
Big chest, big chest.
Right.
Which is obviously going to be soon, because this is awesome.
That'll be tomorrow night.
Hell yeah. Yeah, actually, you're damn right. Go, oh, so much stuff in
Jesus.
here. I think that's going to be quite a lot of money we just got up. Yeah, we don't name
little,
names.
Little scenes, like what was that for? Just a movie.
Oh, look at our poor pilot.
What's it?
That was our mate. That was our mate. That was Keith, or whatever his name was. I think it was Keith.
Keith. The fucking Keith.
I think his name was Keith. Don't ask me why he was called Keith. I think it was. Yeah, it was Caddy.
Scat the place out. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What? Is that a motorbike? It's a motorbike. Bet it's a motorbike. Yeah. Obvious.
Jesus.
God.
Oh
no! You got moved. You got
no!
moved.
What?
You got moved.
We lost.
It said F. You had to press F to dodge.
I had my hand over my mouth.
It said F, F, F. You had to press
I
F.
didn't see. I was just so shocked.
I know. I was like, what?
I was like, Jesus, how is she going to survive that?
To be fair, I was not expecting a Quicktime event either. I just like mashed the keyboard.
I'll be ready. If it's not F, I'm going to miss it though.
It was F.
No,
it was definitely
if
F.
it's not F. Because I
This
just
time
have
it's
my
like-
finger over it.
This time it's like the home key.
I end up just like slamming my laptop down. Close.
it's like numpad 4.
I don't have a numpad.
I've got a numpad. Well, then you're fucked, aren't you? Then you have to press numlock and then 4. Get ready for F. Get ready for
I'm
F,
so
bro.
afraid it's gonna be home.
Fingers on F. F.
Chris. It just says Chris. What was that?
Oh, that means I forgot it last time.
It was your fault.
Sorry, I got you raped. Now you look. Oh, you're a dick, Darren. Whose fault was it that time?
I really have to stop covering my mouth.
Yeah, you
I
need
was
to be
like, oh,
ready
that's
for this shit.
QuickTime event over, and I was just like, it was your fault. And then I just look, F, press
You see
it,
what
and then
happened?
see what
I
happens.
got my head slammed into some jagged metal at high speed.
Oh, man, we're awesome.
Can we just press X and skip the cutscene this time?
I don't think it
please?
works like that.
Fuck. Try. Should press X.
No, never. We're doing.
Press X. Escape. Click.
I'm pressing,
Okay,
but
Darren,
it's not working.
Darren, please look at that jagged spike. That's what I went into. You see that jagged edge?
Yeah, it's pretty harsh.
You just got my shit pulled. I fucking saved your life, bitch.
Hey, it's 1-1, man.
Oh. Yeah, it's one raping each. To be fair, I think mine was worse.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, like you wouldn't be able to hear where that came from.
Chris.
Set. Get ready. Save my life. Shiva! Oh, you're good. I'm ready.
Oh, here we go.
I'm ready.
Jesus.
I'm ready.
He needs a tic-tac.
I'm ready to press F. Oh my god. What the fuck? Shotgun time, Darren. Shotgun time.
I have a feeling we're just getting captured in this one.
Maybe. What the fuck? I dodged as well.
You clearly didn't dodge it.
Maybe I didn't.
Oh my god, we're so bad.
Fuck's sake, this is hard.
A&D was pretty simple.
I can handle it. I fuck it up again.
S&F.
Yeah, we did it. We did it.
Not over yet, man. It's not over yet. The home key.
The minus
Oh,
key.
hello.
Great. Yeah, it's Delta Squad. Delta Squad.
What would you do if it went to your head and it said game over? Oh shit. Toby, save me.
I can't do anything right now.
Yeah,
Delta Squad saved our fucking
How do you know
asses.
they're called Delta?
Because they told us in the earlier game that Delta Squad were coming.
Okay.
So I'm assuming that's Delta Squad. Or there are some randomers. Probably Delta Squad.